This week's Grab and Go will be lots of fun creating a snowy owl. First, take out your contents and grab out the beige felt and cut a circle. Actually, cut an oval would be much better. This will be the face. Next, cut out a little beak out of the orange felt. Next, with the white felt, cut out an oval shape. However, at the top, kind of make a heart shape to make it more of a facial feature. This is where the eyes will set. Next, you'll want to glue on the orange beak kind of a little bit off the bottom edge of the beige oval. Then you will want to pick up the kind of heart-shaped oval white felt piece and glue that on top. You'll be covering the top of that beak a little bit. Next, glue on your eyes. Isn't it super cute already? The remaining two pieces of white felt, you're going to want to cut some ovals. These will be the wings. While you're waiting for the face to dry up, you're going to unroll your cotton balls. It's pretty easy. Just start pulling it apart. And as you tear the pieces of cotton, you can actually kind of separate it in half and start stuffing in between the pieces on the pine cone. If you find that it's too fat, well, you can rip it down a little bit. You can also start taking your finger and very carefully tuck it in between the nooks and crannies of your pine cone. It'll look pretty cute. Next, you're going to want to glue the face on the top and, of course, glue on each of the wings. And there you have it, your snowy owl. He's so cute. Now name him. Once you have named your snowy owl, go to our Instagram page at Manlius Library, #Miss Wendy, and tell me all about it.